little food explorer. Today I will make you a coconut bar. If you are ready, the materials will come. We make delicious snacks with healthy foods. If you are ready, let's count the ingredients. Almond, lemon, coconut oil, honey, coconut. Now we grate our lemon. It looks like a sunball. It's so incredibly hard, so very hard. Mom, please come over here right now. Now, we add the coconut oil. If you put it in coffee, it can help your digestion. Honey is a gift from the bees. Okay, let's just prop this up like this. Now, coconut. I always compare it to snow. Snowball, Now we pour it in. Okay. Now we mix it. I think that we might have a guest arriving. Now we've mixed the mixture we made, and we're lining up our almonds in the container one by one. Now we've lined up the almonds, and we're adding this. Now we've poured the mixture we made over the almonds, and we're sending it to the freezer. Now, our coconut bar is ready, and it's time to taste it. Now we're taking it out of the mold. It looks so good. Do you see it? All right, now I'm going to take one and taste it. One piece. I'm taking it. It's turned out so good. Don't forget to hit the like button below and to subscribe. We're going to have so many adventures together and laugh a lot. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.